Hi, folks. I'm meteorologist Tom Kveka. Just a quick update. Not much happening, but well, it's about to. So let's look at the radar. We continue to see some little streamer showers across central Louisiana. You see this stuff moving in from the south, headed toward the north. Let's get a little closer look at that. Down in Beauregard Parish, that's going to be moving into portions of Vernon Parish. You can just see it widely scattered to isolated here across central Louisiana, a little bit in Rapides Parish. Just a very quick shower with large drops at my place here in eastern Rapides Parish a little bit ago. Some heavy rain now being seen up in northern Wind Parish. We're also seeing some very heavy rain across the northwest corner of Sabine Parish there. And this outline of the polygon right here is for a strong wind, 50-mile-per-hour wind gust may occur out of these thunderstorms. So not an official severe warning or anything like that, but hey, you're going to get some high wind out of this if you haven't already, and certainly something more significant off to the east of us. With these showers coming in from the south, what's happening is that we have what we call warm, moist advection in the lower levels of the atmosphere. In other words, from the Gulf of Mexico, we're transporting warm air, moisture, instability northward, which is feeding this line of storms, feeding energy to it, feeding the updrafts, and so powering the storms in this system. And so with that, that is moving in areas to the north of us. And what's happening is a couple of these storms are getting out of control there in East Texas with some tornado warnings there. So let me stop that and kind of show you these warnings that we're looking at right here. Looks like a severe thunderstorm warning for San Augustine, Texas until 11:15. We're seeing, of course, a tornado warning for Angelina County. That's the county that Lufkin, Texas is in, 10:45. And so not a lot more left on that. But we do see, if I turn the lightning on, many times that kind of discriminates how you can see the stronger storms, if you will. And this is a pretty potent storm. And eventually, let me take the lightning off and put this back in motion. Ever so slowly, this area, this convection is moving eastward. You can see the individual cells are moving northeastward, but the whole system is moving toward the east. And it's back building all the way back into the woodlands, Huntsville, and around Navasota, College Station. And so what's going to happen is, as the night prevails, especially after we get past midnight here, I look for some warnings to be issued here for Central Louisiana, if not before. Right now, nothing being warned on there from that particular cell. Again, that's just a strong wind from thunderstorm, not an official warning, but it's getting closer, as you can see. And so the Storm Prediction Center, by the way, did raise our threat level from 2 out of 5 to 3 out of 5. And so that means that they think the potential is increasing. And I'll tell you what, we haven't had any convection really to disturb the atmosphere, to cool the atmosphere off here for this evening or today. We had that happen on April 10th. And so that squashed much of the severe potential across our southern parishes and then down into the coastal Bend area and then into the I-10 corridor. That may not happen tonight, although once we get this convection coming in, it will kind of squash the warm sector to the south just a tad. But I think overall that all of central Louisiana will probably undergo another severe weather watch during the night. You can see the tornado watch here across the area for 2 a.m. And again, that I think will either be extended or a new watch will be issued for sometime probably about 8, 9 o'clock in the morning for the remainder of central Louisiana. Whether it's a severe thunderstorm or tornado watch remains to be seen. But my point is, in this update, is that the thunderstorms, the storms are getting closer, not in a hurry to get here, but they're going to get here. And again, things are kind of going the way we thought they would. And so Nick Nicholas will be in here during the night to keep you informed on any warnings. And of course, I'll be around for tomorrow as well and kind of clean up the event. So yeah, you're covered with SinlawWeather.com, and Nick and I just wanted to let you know that. But for now, no warnings in Sinlaw. But if they happen, I'll have them here shortly, or if it waits till Nick takes over, then he'll have it. Thanks for being with us.